can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' out. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want her much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed decline. Nah. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Turn policies, can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
Niggas is finesse. I can't fuck with niggas, I can't fuck with niggas. I got a couple niggas that'll let it fly for a couple niggas. Got a couple niggas is me, they love me, cause plot smoke for the streets. I got that heat in the rocket, say the wrong thing, I'ma pop it. I got them choppers in the closet, 100 mil deposit. That ain't no Uber, that's the feds. I see them niggas watch, I like my bitches red bone, that's fat, jello, light skin, yellow, black hair by the Regis a pillow. I got a spreader and a cream, I put the perky in my lean. 230's got me leaning. I hope I don't bleed like I would eat and eat. jeans. The bring got me teasing, but I driven when I'm leaving. I got that whole shit tight. Iced out patty. As long as you getting money, don't nothing else matter. Shake it, baby. Bust it down and get naked, baby. Just know you sing shit, baby. Just know you sing shit, baby. I keep that chop up already touch. It ain't no stopping, no laying up. Free all my niggas that stuck in the can. Hoodie on, looking for some man. How you real? And you run on your mans. I'll be dead. Look, I'm coming out with the Peter Pan. Looking for you and your friends. Hop in the rocket, go to Venus. I'm dreaming. I'm a genius.
Okay, y'all, this is how my hair turned out. This is my half wig style. Now, I did not define the curls. I like big hair when it comes to curly hair. I don't know. I don't like the wet, small type look. But to each his own. This is a human hair, Burmese curl hair. I had this wig for... Damn, I had this wig for some months now. This was my first time roller curling my hair with it. It's not bad, but I'm used to wine curling with the heat. I want to do something natural. I don't want to put heat to my hair for real because I already was doing too much to my hair and I just dyed it back black. But this is the look. Not only that, y'all, this wig is like a natural brown. My hair is a jet black, but it don't look bad at all. Honestly, you can't tell me that this is not my hair. Thank you. It is very full. As I mentioned, I did not define my curls. I like big poofy hair. I don't know. You can add a little shine to it. Right here, y'all can see it's a little dull. So what I'm going to take is some Bio Silk oil. And put a little bit on my hands. And then I'm just basically going to gloss it up, if that makes sense. If I had some oil sheen, it probably would work a little better, honestly. But I don't, so we got to use what we got. But y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed me doing this little quick flip over look. Really to no heat, side part, flip over. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably put it in a half up and down, do a different style with it. I really don't know. But we are at 8K on the road to 10K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Get into it. Give y'all a little close up. I wish I had some oil sheen just to gloss it a little bit. I just might go and get some oil sheen just because. But yeah.